Hello engineers, today we are going to make a wine glass with simple method. First, change the view. We are on the top. We want to go on a front view. So type on command panel -V, press enter and press F and again press enter. So then we are on the front viewport. Okay. Now make a line here of 70 mm, and you can see this is too big, so we want this line in entire screen. Press Z, enter, and E, enter. Okay, so now this line is in our entire screen. Again select line command, click on the middle of the line and make a line of 100 mm. So again this is going outside of our screen. Again press Z, enter, E, enter. Okay, move it a bit right side. Okay. Now make a circle. For circle, press C and enter. Select this end point of line and make a circle of 40 radius and copy this circle by CP. Type CP and press enter. Select the circle, press enter. Now select this point and click on the upper point. So we have made a copy. Now again press C for circle. Select TTR, means 10 radius. Select this circle and this circle and give it a radius of 80. Okay, select line command and select the point where this both circle are intersect and make a line going outside of the circle. Okay, now select trim command, TR, and press enter. Select this portion and press enter, and now remove unwanted objects like this circle, this upper one, and this one, and this. Okay, now make a line from here to across above the line. Again trim command, select this portion, press enter, trim unwanted objects like this, and this will not trim, we have to erase it. So select it, right click and select on erase. Okay, now here select offset command by pressing O and enter. Give the distance. Here I am taking distance of 3 mm and offset this line to left side. Again select offset and give distance of 5 mm. Select this line and make a copy on upside. Again select trim command, TR, enter. Select this portion, press enter, and remove unwanted lines like this, this, and this. Okay, now select fillet command. For fillet press F and enter, and now select radius option, give the radius of 8 and press enter, and select this both lines. And here we are going to make a half circle here. For that press C, enter, and select here 2P, means 2 point. Select first point and second point. Now again select trim command, TR, enter. Select this portion, press enter again and trim unwanted objects. Okay. Now these are different arcs. We have to make this a single, that means we are going to make a join of this. Then press J, enter, select this both arcs and press enter. Again select offset command, give distance of 2 mm and select it and copy inner side. Okay, now again select trim command, TR, enter, select this whole portion, press enter and now trim. This line will be trimmed, this portion will be trimmed, and here this is and these two. Okay, this is the extra line. Select, right click and erase it. Now we have to make this geometry in a single portion. For that press J, press enter and select this whole geometry, press enter again. Now we can see this is a single object. We are going to make it a 3D. For that select the revolve command here, select this geometry, press enter and select 2 points of center of it, first and second, and press enter. Now the 3D is complete. Change the viewport from here to top, and this is the orbit command. Select orbit and you can rotate and check. This is a 2D wireframe view. For realistic view you can change the view from here, select here and select realistic. The wine glass is ready.